The retail version of Windows 10. This version permits a 32-bit or a 64-bit operating system. We'll install the 64-bit for more computational in memory, recommended for desktops like ITX, Micro ATX, and ATX forms. Remove the product key card from the box. You'll need the product key to legitimately use Windows 10. The PC, monitor, and keyboard with touchpad are connected to the power surge. With the Windows 10 installer flash drive, insert the flash drive to a USB port. Press the power button to turn on the computer. From the monitor, should see the motherboard's logo. It may take a few minutes to load up the installation process. Select your preferred language, format, and input. Left-click Next when ready to continue. Left-click Install Now. Type in the 25-character product key. Left-click Next. Check the box to accept the license terms of agreement and left-click Next. Select and left-click Custom Install Windows Only, Advanced. Select Drive 0 Unallocated Space and left-click Next. This begins installing Windows 10. Time will vary, but this took about 30 minutes. Confirm it's the correct region and left-click Yes. Confirm the keyboard layout and left-click Yes. Left-click Skip. Left-click Skip for now. Type an account name, your preference. Left-click Next. Type in a password and left-click Next. Confirm your password and left-click Next again. Type in your hint and left-click Next once more. This is your preference, but I'm selecting No. Changing to basic and off settings. When finished, left-click Accept. And Windows 10 is officially installed. From another PC that has internet connection, I recommend downloading these drivers ahead of time. And don't forget to do Windows updates when you have internet set up to your computer. Thanks for watching!